3D printing makes it possible to create unique, complex parts at a relatively low cost. However, the material which is available today is still pretty weak. We have now developed a technology which uses liquid crystal polymers that align along the direction of printing during the extrusion from the FDM nozzle and creates parts with high mechanical strength. Our approach is especially interesting for industry because everybody with a 3D printer can use the liquid crystal polymers and combine them with our bio-inspired structural design approach to create parts with high mechanical properties. We foresee possibilities to utilize our technology where lightweight materials are required, so aerospace, automotive and biomedical parts. We are trying to exploit the full potential of this technology and we are working with industry partners to scale it up.